Hello, kindergartners. This is Mr. Mark here to talk to you about gardening. Our garden word of the day is sun, S-U-N. The sun does a lot more than just light up the sky. It's essential to growing plants. What do you notice about this tomato plant in the window? Can you see that it is leaning towards the sun? It will grow towards the sun, towards the light, because it needs the light so bad to grow. Do you see how this grass isn't green? It didn't have much sun over the winter, and that makes it brown up, which is a usual thing for us to see in the fall and winter time. Let's take a look at the green and the plants that we have started. Here are the radishes. They are sprouting very well. The green tops and the red stems of these beets are growing nicely as well. They're seeking the sun, reaching for it. Here you see the beans popping through, several of them with the green tops growing up and spreading leaves widely. We see the very first pumpkin break the surface. We only have one, but it's reaching for the sun. The only plant that hasn't shown green yet is the squash. The sun, along with the heat that we'll talk about next time, is what keeps the plant green and growing. Let's keep our gardening going, and we'll look forward to our plant progress next time.